Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best half doors is probably one of the most unique modifications you can make to your off-road truck or SUV. They offer a distinctive personality that enhances the driving experience and functionality. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about half doors, from their benefits and drawbacks to the different types available and what to consider before making a purchase. Number 5. Hooke Road Jeep Wrangler JK Tubular Half Doors. Introducing the Hooke Road Tubular Half Doors, designed for your Jeep Wrangler JK. These doors offer a unique open-air experience, perfect for hitting the trails. They provide the visibility you need for off-road adventures. These half doors are specifically designed to fit 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited 4-door models. Whether you have a Sport, Sahara, or Rubicon, they're a great fit. They are engineered to provide a secure and stylish upgrade. Enjoy the fresh air while keeping your passengers safe. These doors provide added security compared to driving without doors, making them ideal for trips with family and pets. They give you peace of mind on every journey. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, these doors are built to withstand tough conditions. The textured black powder coat finish and e-coating inside ensure long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance. They are made to endure. Installation is a breeze with these doors. They fit OE hinges and use a factory-style door lock assembly, with no drilling required. You can easily put them on and take them off as needed. Please remember, these doors are intended for off-road use. Always wear your seatbelts and avoid sharp turns and abrupt maneuvers. They are designed for adventure, but safety is always the priority. What we like. This door features a robust steel construction, perfect for tackling tough trails. The easy installation means you can quickly equip your Jeep. If you're an off-road enthusiast seeking durability and ease of use, this is the ideal choice for your adventures. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the trail, providing both security and peace of mind. What people say. The doors fit perfectly and were easy to install. The doors look great and are very well made. The half doors are a great addition to the vehicle. Number 4. SuperATV Aluminum Doors for Polaris Ranger XP 900. These doors are designed with your comfort in mind. The height provides a secure feeling without being intrusive. The automotive-style latch makes getting in and out easy. The automotive-style latch features a simple handle for effortless entry and exit. It's a user-friendly design that enhances your overall experience. This makes it easy to get in and out. The multi-bend aluminum skin adds style while keeping the weight down. This design choice enhances both the look and the performance. It's a win-win. The heavy-duty frame features 2 mounting points for long-lasting performance. This ensures that it can withstand tough conditions. This design is made to last. The ergonomic height is designed for a comfortable ride. It provides a great balance between protection and ease of use. You'll enjoy the ride even more. What we like. Designed with comfort in mind, this door offers an ergonomic height for a secure and enjoyable ride. The automotive-style latch ensures easy entry and exit. If you prioritize comfort and convenience in your UTV, this door's thoughtful design will enhance your driving experience. It's perfect for those who value both style and ease of use. What people say. The doors fit perfectly and were easy to install. The doors look great and give the Jeep a whole new look. The doors are well built and sturdy. Number 3. Bestop 530-3801 Black Half Doors for 1980 to 1995 CJ7 Wrangler. Introducing the Bestop Half Doors, designed for your CJ7 or Wrangler. This kit includes a pair of fabric lower half doors, perfect for your vehicle. These doors mount easily to your existing OEM hinges. It's a straightforward process to upgrade your ride. The doors come with locking paddle handle rotary latches, and keys are included. This ensures the security of your belongings. The fabric matches Bestop Super Top, available in factory colors. It will seamlessly blend with your existing setup. It features a sturdy welded wire frame for great support and consistent shape. The adjustable lower door pivots allow for a perfect fit. What we like. This door offers fabric lower halves that mount easily to your existing hinges. The locking paddle latches provide added security. If you're looking for a simple, secure, and stylish upgrade for your CJ7 or Wrangler, this door provides a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. It's a great way to enhance your vehicle's look while maintaining practicality. What people say. Installed these in about 10 minutes. Instructions were clear and had photos. Latches work great with the stock strikers. They keep the wind off the knees and lower legs but do not help with noise at all. Number 2. Can-Am Traxter Black Half Doors. These half doors are designed specifically for your Can-Am Traxter. They provide added protection and a sleek look, enhancing your off-road experience. The doors are constructed from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. They are built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. Featuring a robust metal frame, these doors offer a superior fit and finish. The frame adds rigidity, enhancing the overall structural integrity. The rear hinge design allows for a wide opening, making it easier to get in and out of the cockpit. This feature adds convenience and comfort. This product replaces the original part number 715003029. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. What we like. With a metal frame and plastic construction, this door offers a balance of durability and ease of use. The rear hinge provides wide opening for easy entry and exit. If you need a door that combines practicality with a refined look, this is a great option. It's designed to make your Defender more accessible and user-friendly. What people say. The doors fit perfectly and were easy to install. They look great and are very well made. The doors are solid and the paint finish is excellent. Number 1. Can-Am Defender Max Half Door Kit. Introducing the new Can-Am Defender Max Half Door Kit. This kit is designed to enhance your off-road experience. It's a perfect upgrade for your Defender. These half doors are made of durable plastic. The plastic construction ensures longevity and resilience against the elements. You can count on them to last. Featuring a metal frame, these doors offer a superior fit and finish. The metal frame adds rigidity, improving the overall performance and feel of the doors. It's built to last. The rear hinge allows for a wide opening. This design makes it easy to get in and out of the cockpit. It's all about convenience. The doors include interior pockets and liners. These features provide added protection and storage. They are designed to make your ride more comfortable. These half doors instantly transform your Defender. They are perfect for all-around use, including mud riding. It's a great addition to your vehicle. This kit fits 2017 to 2021 Can-Am Defender Max HD 8 and 2017 to 2025 Can-Am Defender Max HD 10 models. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. It's a great upgrade. What we like. This door features interior pockets and liners for added protection. The metal frame ensures a higher level of fit and finish. If you're looking for enhanced protection and organization, this door is perfect for you. It's designed to transform your Defender for all-round use, including mud riding, providing both functionality and style. What people say. They did accomplish the desired effect. Good fit for my Can-Am and a nice little storage bag that hangs on the inside of the door. Everything was in the box and everything worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.